Ever noticed how AI search results don't always match what you'd see on Google? Turns out there's a reason for that, and it's not just randomness. New research from Ruhr University in Germany and the Max Planck Institute has found that AI-powered search engines, like Google's AI Overviews, Gemini, and OpenAI's GPT-4o, rely heavily on less popular sources than traditional search engines. In fact, many of the sites they reference wouldn't even show up in Google's top 100 results for the same query. Before we dive deeper, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment about whether you've noticed AI search giving you weird or unexpected sources. Back to the findings. Researchers compared traditional Google search results with AI-driven ones. They pulled data from political topics, popular Amazon products, and real user questions. The outcome? AI searches cited sites that often fell outside the top 1,000, sometimes even the top million domains on the web. Gemini's AI search was the biggest outlier, pulling info from some of the most obscure corners of the internet. But that doesn't necessarily mean AI search is worse. GPT-based searches, for example, were more likely to reference corporate sites or encyclopedias instead of social media. The study also found that AI results usually covered about the same number of core concepts as traditional searches, meaning they still provide similar depth and variety. Here's the trade-off, though. AI tends to compress information. It summarizes cleanly but often skips secondary or ambiguous details. So for complex or unclear topics, old-school Google links might still give better coverage. On the flip side, tools like GPT-4o with Search Tool can blend web data with what's already in their massive pre-trained knowledge base, which means faster, more direct answers. The problem? They sometimes refuse to fetch fresh info, especially for trending topics, replying instead with vague, "Please provide more details" messages. So the question isn't whether AI search is better or worse, it's how we'll define better going forward. Should we value source diversity, conceptual depth, or just convenience? The researchers say it's time to rethink how we measure quality in generative search. Want to go deeper into how AI is changing the way we find information? Watch the related video in the corner, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about what kind of sources you trust online.